Hello everyone. Today we'll be talking about Rasabhedi Adhyaya. So in the previous video we have discussed about general properties of each rasa and what are the exceptions to that rule. Now in this video we'll be mainly talking about Rasa Samyoga Sankhya, or we'll be talking about Rasa Kalpanas. Okay. So let's begin with it. Rasa Samyoga Sankhya, or the number of Samyogas of rasas. Samyoga means combination or permutation combination of rasas, will be discussed over here. This is also called as Rasa Kalpanas. So they say that Samyogat Sapta Panja Shataha Kalpana tu Trishashtidha Rasanam Yogikatvena Yada Sthulam Vibhajayet. So they say that the Samyoga, or the combinations of rasa, are actually Sapta Panchashataha, or it is 57 in number. There will be 57 different combinations of rasas can be seen. Kalpana to Trishashtitaha. So total kalpanas will be 63. Okay. So this is the total kalpanas, or total different formulations of rasa. Rasanam yogikatvena yadasthulam vibhajyate. These are the general or combination on the basis of their use, that is routine of selection of drugs and planning of the therapy. So we have totally 63 different rasas or combinations of rasas which we can use in our therapy. So 57 out of that is combination plus 6 individual rasas makes it 63. Got it? So we have permutation combination of 57 plus 6 individual rasas. Total 63 different rasas can be exchanged on the basis of that, which is used in our therapeutical usage. Now let's understand what are these 57 combinations. So if this sloga has been understood properly, then the entire combination will be written by you without even thinking twice. Okay. So this slogan goes like this: Ekaka Yena Sthan Panjadashaha Yanti Rasa Dvik. So the first line says that in the combination of two, means two rasas are combining together, there will be Panjadashaha. There will be 15 combinations like that, or 15 combinations of two rasa each. And Ekaika Heenasthan, each successive order will be dropping one rasa. Means Madhura rasa will be having combination of Madhura to Amla, Madhura plus Lavana, Madhura plus Katu, Madhura plus Kashaya. So there will be 5 combinations of Madhura. Next is Amla Rasa. It will be having Amla plus Katu, Amla plus Lavana, Amla plus Kashaya. Amla plus Tikta. So it will be having 4 combinations. Like this, one keep on reducing. Lavana will be having 3, Madhura, Amla, Lavana. Katu will be having 2, Kashaya will be having, Tikta will be having 1 combination. Like this, it will be making 15 different combinations of 2 rasa each. I hope you understood this. So 2 rasa mixing together, Madhura will form 5 combination, Amla will form 4 combination, Lavana will form 3 combination, Tikta Katu Kashaya. Tikta will form 2 combination, and Kashaya will form, Katu will form 1 combination. Okay. Other than that, Trike Swadur Dashaha Amlam Shat Threen Patustikta Ekam. So in the combination of 3, we'll just erase all these things. In the combination of 3, Madhura will make 10 combinations, or like Madhura is getting mixed with other dravyas, it will be forming 10 combinations of Madhura. Okay. Amlam Shat. Amla will form 6 combination, and Patu three Patuhu. Lavana or Patu will form 3 combination, and Tikta ka Ekam. Tikta or the bitter will form 1 combination. Like that, there are 20 different combination of 3 rasa together. Okay. Now coming to the next one. So this is about 2 rasa combination. This is about 3 rasa combining together. Chatushcheshu dasham swadu chattvaro amalam patu sakritam. So in the combination of 4 rasas, Dasham Swatuhu, Madhura will form 10 combination. Chaturu Amlaham, Amla will form 4 combination, and Patu Sakritam, Patu will form, or Lavana will form 1 combination. Like that, this will be having 15 rasas in it. Okay, 15 combinations in it. So this has 15, this has 20, and this again has 15, 4 rasa each. Panchashukegam, in the combination of Panchakeshwa, Ekam Evam Amloho. Amla will have 1 combination in the mixing of 5 rasas together. Madhuram Panchaha. Madhura will have 5 combinations. So it will make about 6 total combinations. Like 1 will be Amla. Amla will be, it is just like Amla, Kashaya, Tikta, Katu, and what is a Madhura, Amla, not Madhura, Amla, Lavana, Katu, Tikta, Kashaya. So these 5 will be forming 1 combination, and Madhura will be forming 6 different combinations. We will see all this combination later. So in a total, it will be making 6 combinations of 5 drugs, 5 different tastes combining together. Okay, and Dravya Megam Shada Aswadam Sanyuktacha Shadrasaha. And in the combination of 6 rasa together, there will be 1. So altogether, you can calculate 15 plus 20, 35, plus 15 will be 50, plus 6, 56. Totally there will be 57 combinations of rasa. I request you all to write it down and see whether you are getting this number properly or not. Okay, because this is usually a 5 marks or 10 marks question. So if you understand this yoga properly, you can explain it in detail, and it will be very easy for you to write it down if you understand this 1 to 4 lines yoga. Okay, now let's go and dig into deep and see how different combinations are formed in it. So this is same thing what I have told till now. The combination of 4 rasas, Swata will form 10, Amla will be 4, and Lavana will be 1, making it a 15 rasa. The combination of 5, Amla will be forming 1 rasa, and Swata will be 5 rasas, making it 6 combination. And in the combination of 6, it will be 12. Okay, and along with that, each rasas individually will be 6. As I told you, there will be 57 plus 6 individual rasas, right, making a total of 63 rasas. Good. Now let's see what are the 5 rasas of combination of 5 rasas in 6 different forms. 1 of 6 rasas individually. Okay, so last one is 1 of 6 rasa individually. 15 of 2s. Again, it is 15 of 4s. 20 of 3s. 1 of all rasa, making it 16. Another set of calculations. Same thing what we had told over here. Here the same thing, they are written it opposite, so making it 63. Now separately we have 6 rasas, which are Madhura, Amla, Lavana, Katu, Tikta, Kashaya. These are 6 rasas. This one, okay, 6 rasas. The next 15 combinations of 2 rasas. As I told you, Madhura will be added with Amla, Tikta, Lavana, Kashaya, and Katu. Okay, so this will be 5 in nature. 2 rasa combination, Madhura will make 5 combination. Later, Amla will be Amla with Lavana, Amla with Tikta, Amla with Katu, Amla with Kashaya. Amla with Madhura can't be there because already here Amla with Madhura is there. So this will be making 4 combination. Okay, here it get over 4 combination. Then coming to Lavana, Lavana with Tikta, Lavana with Katu, Lavana with Kashaya. So it will be making 3 combinations because Lavana with Amla is already here and Lavana with Madhura is already here. So these two will be omitted. It will be having 3 combinations. And again, last one is Tikta rasa, Tikta with Katu, Tikta with Kashaya, and Tikta with Katu with Kashaya. Will making it 2 for this and 1 for this. Katu rasa will have 1 combination, 1 for Katu with Kashaya, because all other combinations are poor. So this will be a total of 15 rasa combination. Got it? So this is the combination of 2 rasa each. Now the next one is 3 rasa each. Like that, will be forming 20 combinations. Madhura will be 10 combinations. Okay. So Madhura Amla Lavana, Madhura Amla Tikta, Madhura Amla Katu, Madhura Amla Kashaya, Madhura Lavana Tikta, Madhura Lavana Katu, Madhura Lavana Kashaya, Madhura Tikta Katu, Madhura Tikta Kashaya, Madhura Tikta, Madhura Katu Kashaya. So 10 over here. Then with Amla, rasa will be forming 6 and Lavana will be forming 3, and there will be 1 by the Tikta rasa, which will be Tikta Katukashaya. And again, here it is of a total of 20 different permutation and combination for 3 rasa each. Okay. The same way for 4 rasas, we have Madura forming 10 different combinations. You have to see that there is not even a single time it is repeating. Okay. And Amla will be forming 4 and Lavana will be forming 1. So again, here there is a total combination of 15 rasas of 4 rasa each. And in the 5 rasas, as I told that, Madura will be forming 5 and Amla will be forming 1, 5 rasa combinations. Okay, so there will be a 6 rasa, and combination of all Shad rasa, there will be one single combination where all Shad rasa is there. So that makes together of 57 in plus independent 6, making it 63 combinations. Okay, this is called as Rasakalpanas. The 63 is called as Rasakalpana. Okay, I hope you understood this thing. Just work it out, write it in your piece of paper, and check whether you are getting this combination properly or not. With this, I conclude my talk. Thank you very much.